Hello and welcome to brick tip number 66. I've been working on the decking for the swing carousel, and last week I came up with this, which will form a decagon when all connected together. These are pretty simple, where we have a clip and then a brick with a stud on the side connection, and they can just lock these plates together like so. And because the clips are there, there's a few degrees of freedom for these plate segments to connect up to each other. I was thinking about this morning, and what I need to do is have a sort of a curved shape for the canopy that makes sort of a gentle sloping roof. So we're still using those bricks with the studs on the side, but you'll notice that there's a plate thickness in between where those clips are, and we also have the bricks with studs on the side turned inwards towards the middle of the circle. When we put that together, we're gonna get sort of this curved, slanted roof shape. I'm gonna show you the one little trick to get this to happen, where we get these plates overlapping each other, and that is simply a jumper plate. So if we lock that into place, that lets this hinge kind of slide up and down. So if we take this brick and put it right here, just the two studs in, and we give that a little bit of a tilt, there's enough room between the wall of the plate and the anti-stud for the clip plate to slip in. So we actually have quite a bit of movement in there, so you could make your roof much more pitched than I did and actually have the plate slipping right underneath, so there's no gap visible at all when you assemble your roof. I think this is going to work for a big variety of polyhedrons, so I invite you to go and try this out and experiment with other different sides and also different styles of plates and plate wedges and see what you can come up with. If you do come up with something interesting, I'd love to see it, so you can post it on our Facebook page. This was a quick video today, but I hope you found it useful and you can use it in your own builds. If you have liked it, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it around so that others can enjoy it. And don't forget to join in on Facebook and our other social feeds to get in on the conversation. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.